Got this little desert track right here, and got snow up in the mountains. It's pretty cold on the 450 RX. Just cut it in a few minutes ago. See what it's like. I don't have much of a front brake right now. I need to bleed it. Here we go. Right now, I'm gonna make it longer. That's a lap, that's it. So really easy, fun to cut a track in the desert. There's another piece of the track right there. I have the most laps led on this track, fastest lap. All records for today I have on this track. It makes me feel good about myself. See ya.